If you're an author creator working on your book or trying to come up with an idea for your next book, this video is for you. I'm going to show you one of the more powerful ways that you can start immediately getting your idea for your book out there in the world, even as you're creating it. Now, what you're looking at here is a screenshot of my new digital planner called Bestseller Blueprint, and I'm going to share with you one of more than 10 plus proven strategies that you can do to actually start getting more eyeballs and sales for your book. Now, that is going to be on how to use your banner real estate at the top of your Facebook page. Most every person out there has a Facebook page. But what many of us author creators really miss out on the opportunity is to take advantage of that real estate at the top of our Facebook page. And I'm going to illustrate it on my personal Facebook page. Now, on my personal Facebook page, I have this banner at the top that actually showcases my book. This is on my personal page. Now, I can also apply this to my group. If I have a Facebook group, I can apply this to my business page if I have that. In this case, I have this on my personal Facebook page. And what you can do is make it graphic that looks like this. And what it does is it showcases what the inside of your book would look like. Even if it's in a digital ebook format, you can still take advantage of this. Now, something that I want you to notice here, when people click on that image, or they go over and they check out this post, what they're going to see here is content that actually describes what this offer is. And what it does is provides a link to my landing page. So even if you're working on your book, this is great. All you would need to do is create this image, and I'm going to show you how to get this template in a moment. That goes to a simple landing page, and you can start getting leads in as fast as you can publish this on your personal page. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to the Bestseller Blueprint, and I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on this template. There's a link here inside of the digital planner where it takes you immediately over to Canva, where you can go and get access to this template. And all you would need to do is just import with your own images. It's set up to go. You can just import your images in the background on the inside. If you have a podcast like what I do, you can actually have a podcast screenshot there, and you're good to go. Now, I'm even going to take it a step further. If you've been interviewed on someone's podcast, you could also highlight that there in that phone if you'd like to, or you can actually remove it. It's totally up to you. Now, for this demonstration, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you actually how to use this template. So when you click over to the button here and you click over to Canva, takes you over to go access this template. All you would do is click on Edit Template, and you would just fill in your graphics, your artwork, your information. Here is my completed template here. So all I did was I just drug in a background that I liked. This was a stock image inside of Canva, and then pages from the inside of my book into these frames. You just fill that in right there, and you're good to go. I'll even take it a step further, and I'll show you exactly how I did it for one of my projects I've got out right now. So this is my podcast guesting readiness checklist. So what I can do is I can just pop the cover of that right here, go back over to uploads. I can now showcase some of the inside images from the inside of the planner from that download. This also works great if you've got even if you're working on your book and you just have like a free PDF, you can actually just do that too and use that as your lead magnet. All righty. And then let's see here. I've got a background image I want to put here. If I want to take the phone out, I can. If I don't have to put it in there. I'm just going to put in this graphic right here inside the phone. Okay, so I've got that set up. And then all I need is a background image to put in there. So I'll go over to Elements. Maybe I'll type in the word podcasting. And I can see what kind of graphics are there or photos are there. Let's say I find a photo that I really like. Let's say I really like this one right here. I can put this in the background. And there I have it. All I enter here is my call to action, which could be to go and download to access this freebie. And it's done. You download it, upload it to Facebook, put in, as I said, your contact information here and how to get a hold of you. Make a landing page, have them go over to get that, and you now build your email list immediately. All righty. So this is just one of the many ways that you can use this new digital planner that I've just created called the Bestseller Blueprint, 10 Proven Strategies to Get More Eyeballs and Sales on Your Book. Now, I did a longer presentation where I went over all of these individually, so I'm not going to do it in this video, but I will put the link in the description if you want to go watch that full training, because I go over all of the different details about what you can do with all 10 plus of these strategies. Alrighty. So if you decide to upgrade and get this digital planner, access to this, plus a variety of different additional trainings coming worth up to $500, I'm going to show you how to get that with the bestseller blueprint upgrade. So you would get a copy of this digital planner. You would get access to, in addition to that, you get access to my Unleash Your Inner Creator. So again, if you're working on your book or book project, this training will help you quite a bit in helping you get some more clarity around what you're creating, the business that you're creating around the book and how you wish to monetize it, which I go into monetization mastery. I also give you a publish to profit plan. I give you ideas for 36 short form video ideas. I even give you bonus trainings on how to set up Facebook ads, how to get yourself booked on podcasts, even a promo GPT to help you come with a 30-day marketing plan for your book. In addition to that, you get an implementation strategy session with me where I actually work with you one-on-one for 1 hour to help you implement any of this is available in the training. And all of this at the time I'm recording, this is available to you for just $97. The price on this will go up, but for right now, it's available for just $97. So if you see the link in the description, click on that and grab this training, including the template that I just demonstrated and that 1 hour strategy call with me, where I will actually help you implement one of the ideas or one of the strategies from the planner in and of itself. Okay. So anyway, I just want to make this video really short for you, but I wanted to show you just how quickly you can implement a way to get more visibility for your book because people cannot buy what they do not know exist. So again, I wanted to share this with you today and get you started. Again, to get access to all of this I shared, including the digital planner, plus this full training, a value of over $500, only $97. Click the link in the description to get it. You'll immediately be directed over to this page that you're looking at right here so you can access the training immediately. And once you've gone through it a little bit, you can book that one-on-one strategy call with me, actually implementation call with me, and I can help you jumpstart the process right away. All righty. So anyway, this is Rodney Washington, your host, signing off. And please, if you're listening to this, don't forget to like. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel because the more people that know about it, the more people will see it. So I really appreciate that so much. All right. Take care.